Okay, thanks for checking out my YouTube channel, Robert's Video Machine. Don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up. I really appreciate it as well. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to fix a leaky shower head. And this is in particular a Delta. And I'll show the part numbers of everything that I got. Of course, the first step is to turn off the main water to the house and then make sure all the water is out from the shower head. And I just wanted to show really quick, this is what I bought. This is the entire kit. Comes with the cartridge. You see the cartridge here. Comes with this part here, which is this here. And then also it gives you extra washers and springs and all that, as you can see there. Now you can buy these separately, but I'm just gonna go ahead and replace the entire thing. And I'm going to show you exactly how to do that. So the first step, like I said, turn off the water, and then you're going to get this part out. Actually, you need two hands for that, but it just pops out, and I'll show you right now. Okay, so I just popped it out, and you can see kind of how it is. And then the next step is you remove that screw there. And then also take note of how everything is placed in there. Because when you're going to put it back, you want to put it back exactly the same way. Okay, and then after you remove this part here, you can see this is how it is. And always make sure you take note of like how many grooves are on there so you can put it back exactly the same way. Okay, so there's the black part taken out already, and you can see there where it says hot side. In my case, it's facing down, so you'll know how to put it back up. Let's see if I can take it off of one. No, it's gonna be kind of hard, but this comes out basically straight forward, and there may be some water that comes out, and that's why I have a bucket close by. Okay, and I just took it off. As you can see, the grooves match the grooves there on that white portion, or the white part. You can actually see the part numbers there from Delta, and I'll put it in the description as well. So the next step is you want to pop this part here off. Just with a small screwdriver, go around the edges. Oh, this thing came off together. Usually this comes off separately, but you can see it there. And then you may want to take these off also for better maneuverability, and then just take this whole thing off. So let me go ahead and do that. Okay, once you have those two long screws off, you can just take this off, and then you could see where they were connected to. See, so that's where one of the screws was located at, and then that one there as well, so you could put it back. Okay, so the next part is to remove this thing here. Now you could have a monkey wrench or a plumber's wrench or whatever. I'm gonna try to do it with my hands. If not, I'm gonna have to go get a monkey wrench or a tool wrench, but of course left loose, right tight. So let me loosen this part up here. So it's this part here that's holding the cartridge in. Okay, so I was able to do it with my hand, but then you can see here how it comes off, and then there's okay, there's no washer in there. I thought there was, but you can see here how it goes back, and you can see these grooves here, one on each side. Let's see where you find the other one, better angle right there. That's how you're going to put the cartridge back. So then, like I said, take note of where it says hot side, so you can put it back exactly the way it is. So all you do is just pop the cartridge out. I don't think there's any water, hopefully not. Try to get all the water out. Okay. See if there's kind of wiggle it, and there is water. So I'm just gonna let it drain out. So let me go ahead and stop it. Okay, sorry about that. I tried to get the water out, but as you can see, there's still water coming out. And I do have all of the water turned off, so I have another bucket in case this one gets full, so it shouldn't be that much. I did try to get all the water out in the house by flushing down the toilets and everything and opening the waters in the faucets. But just be aware, this is a 2-story house, so I am on the 2nd story. That's kind of weird. But I don't think you want to see the water pouring out, but let me just wait. Okay, so that should be all the water. I don't know if you can see there kind of the mess it did. This is the bucket that it filled up, and I just have, there's the cartridge. I just have this bucket just in case, but if you look in here, you can see that part in the back that needs to get removed. And I'll show it to you after it gets taken out, but you will use these pliers to get it out. But first, okay, you just use a screwdriver to get these little things off here. Let me show you right now. Okay, I got one out, but let me try to show you with the other one so you can see real quick. Okay, see, there you go, how it came out. Okay, so you can see there, these are the parts that I took off, those 2 springs with the rubbers, and then this like eyeglass rubber washers. And this is what you're going to try to get out from the inside. So let me see if I can do it real quick. You're going to try to grab it like this and basically hold on very tight and pull it out. I am going to need 2 hands for this, so I'm going to put the camera down real quick. Okay, so just so you could get an idea, this is how I pulled it out. Basically holding on to it really tight and then pushing it out, and it comes out. This is how you see the back part, and this is what's left in there. Let me see. No, it's kind of hard to tell. Okay, so then I'm gonna replace everything, put the back part brand new along with the cartridge brand new, and then put everything back. So let me go ahead and start doing that. Okay, so here's the new part in the back. I already put it in. I did it with my hands and just made sure it is in there flush and everything is in there. And the next thing is you're gonna put the new cartridge in the exact same position as the old one. And don't forget the grooves here on the side. They have to match. All right, so just make sure you don't put it upside down, because I don't know, maybe like the hot and water will be get reversed or something. Okay, so there's the new cartridge in there. As you can see, it lines up with the grooves on each side. And then you just twist that thing back on to hold it in place. Okay, my battery is running a little bit low, so I'm going to try to do this really quick, but it's basically putting everything back in reverse order. So I lined it up kind of how I took it off. So you put this one back on along with the screws. Then you put these 2 parts back on, this one, that one there, and you line it up along how it was before. That one with the screw, and then finally the cap. Okay, so the final step, I just put everything back. When I do it before the battery dies, is just putting this thing back on and see how it pops back in, exactly how you popped it back out. And then you're done. Then of course make sure, you can open and close, so you can make sure that everything is back together properly. So let me know what you think about the video. Leave your comments or questions, and then give me a thumbs up, and then don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for checking out my YouTube channel on Robert's Video Machine, and thank you very much.